Hey ladies, thanks for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mitzi and I'm a paper girlie, and if you're a returner, well, welcome back. Okay girls, so today is Hubman and ChubGirl Happy Meal Day. I found this in my mailbox tonight, so I thought I would come on here and share it with you. So if you are unfamiliar with this, Hubman and ChubGirl is a sticker company, a planner sticker company out of Toronto. It is out of Toronto, Canada, and I have a subscription. I have a subscription, well, because I just think it's cute. I think it's cute. Everything from the envelope to the stickers, I think it is just the cutest little stuff. But do I use it? Actually, I don't use it much. I mostly just collect it, to be quite honest with you. However, I do like to come on here and show it off every month when I get it, just for fun, because I like to share the things that I like, just in case one of you might pop on here and think, I've never seen that before. I like that, and I want that information. So, okay, so I mean, girls, look at this. Everything from this envelope. And do I reuse this envelope? Yes, I will reuse this envelope to send happy mail to somebody else. I'll fill it up with some, bits and bobs, and then I will send it off as a happy mail envelope. Because, I mean, look at this. Look how cute it is. So, yeah, I took off, the address label the best that I could. I put a little bit of, white out on top of the information, my pertinent information, and then I will just print out something and re-stick it down on top in order to mail it forward. Because, goodness, this is just the cutest little envelope. Okay, so this is for, let's see, how does this work out? I believe, well, we'll find out here. Because I believe that this is for July. It's June now. However, they usually are a month ahead for the girls that like to actually do planning according to how planning is done, a little bit ahead of time. And so this is for July. So I have the sticker subscription. I started with the ultimate subscription, but honestly, gals, because I mostly just collect it, I just didn't need all the extras. They are fun, and it is a good price point, but I didn't need it. And I prefer to be able to spend more on various subscriptions than just one. So this is Beach Birds. So you always get a little card that then I will put inside of my Hobonichi cousin. And then this sticker subscription, you get 3 pages of stickers. So let me get this down. We have, let's see, we have sand and sea, we have fun in the sun, and we have beach snacks. And it's all little birdies on the beach. I like these little sand castles. The sun is cute with the sunglasses on it, and these little beach chairs, and oh, that's cute. Oh gosh. This is fun. Beach snacks. It's birds with food in their mouths, because if we're at the beach, then sometimes those birds come and bother us because they want our snacks. So these are the 3 sticker pages that you get with this sticker subscription. And girls, I am going to put the price of the sticker subscription in here when I'm editing, because girls, I can't remember right offhand how much I pay for this, but I don't pay much. Honestly, I don't pay much for this. And that's why I love getting this, because it's just, it's a couple cups of coffee in price. I want to say it is a couple cups of coffee for me, a Starbucks coffee or a Woods coffee. That is the price of this. So those are the sticker sheets that you get. So those are fun. We'll get those out of the way because we're going to move on. So let's see what else we get. Oh, yay. So I've been wanting another one of these. For my travelers, my passport travelers journal. And this is one of those sticker books, those books that have the special sticker paper on it, so that you can actually take these stickers, put them in here, and then carry them with you on the go. So I love when they give the little sticker books out. So I think the last time that they did was the 3 Little Pigs. So that is fun. And then the next thing that we have, well, then we get the sticker pack. And this is a variety sticker pack. It's 7 assorted sticker sheets. So what do we got in here? What do we have in here? Well, basically they are very much the same every single month, but you know what? Meaning the designs as in what you get inside the sticker pack. But I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all, because actually I prefer it, because then I know exactly what I'm getting. Because if you are a planner girly, then you probably set up your planners a certain way. And so that if you know that you are getting the same variations of stickers every month, then you can set it up month to month just the same. Because I know that a lot of gals that are planner gals, they enjoy doing their spreads a certain way. I know that I'm that way. So you get just the regular stickers like that. I love these colors. I love these colors. Then you get the little circle stickers that have the little, you know, sayings on them. You're so fly, summer weather, can't catch me, the Hubman and ChubGirl sticker, summer fun, summer snacks, summer fun, just wing it, and I love summer. So those are very, very cute. So then you get that one. You always get the washi tape stickers, which are nice. Those are very nice. I use those a lot. And then you get these little, you know, they're kind of, I'm going to say that they are a paper vinyl sticker. They feel more like paper. I think they're a paper sticker, but they are just, you know, this shape. And you always get these every month. Sometimes they're paper, sometimes they're PET tape vinyl where they're clear, but you always get this shape, which is nice. Then we have, ooh, these are so cute, some little ice cream cones. So there you have ice cream cones. Those are my favorite colors, the pinks, 2 shades of pink, and then you have the orange. I love like sherbet. Those are fun. Then you have these ones, the clear PET tape vinyl stickers. And I actually prefer a vinyl clear sticker to, like, say, the white outline. But yeah, I enjoy these ones. I enjoy these ones. And then you have the boxes. And these are important if you are a planner that uses like a Hobonichi, because Hobonichi, Sterling Ink, a lot of different planners out there have boxes, and these work good in those boxes. So those are the sticker packs. Those are the sticker packs. And then you also get a couple vinyl stickers. You get a couple little vinyl stickers, and you get a sun and the sandcastle. Those will be fun. I'll probably give those away in some Happy Mail. And then I know this is crazy, because I love the stickers. I love, you know, getting it every month. I love getting it every month, mostly just because it's something fun to find in my mailbox, quite frankly. I enjoy getting this subscription just for the joy of finding something fun in my mailbox. Going out there, you know, finding this little envelope out there, that is always just a super duper day for me. So, but what do I like almost as much as I like the stickers? I like this. I like the little plastic folder. I like the little plastic folder because it holds everything neat and tidy, neat and tidy. And girls, I mean, if you're OG, old school to my channel, then you know that I am an organizer. And so for me, everything has a home, everything has a place. And so this is perfect. This is perfect because it gives me a special little home for my special little bits, my special little stickers, to then have them in my desk or my toolbox. You know that I use that pink toolbox to, well, to store all of my stuff. That's what I use. And so this is a really great option to then put it back inside this little envelope, just like this. It all fits in perfectly. It's made by Hubman and ChubGirl. It's got a little branding down there. And then I know that this is my beach birds, So I will put it in here until I'm ready to use it. And a lot of times, girls, I will, you know, use some, save some, and then give some away. So that is the Hubman and ChubGirl Beach Birds Happy Mail July subscription. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing that. If you are into Hubman and ChubGirl, then I hope that you're enjoying yours as well. If this is your first time seeing Hubman and ChubGirl and it's your vibe, you like this cutesy stuff, then go check her out. It is just a fabulous, fabulous company. It is out of Toronto, but girls, if you live in the US, they also have a facility in Texas, so that we are able to get our subscriptions on time anywhere in the US, because sometimes there's some longer shipping from Canada. This way we're able to get it here in the US, plus we don't have to deal with any tariffs because they have a location here in the US. So girls, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're having a fabulous weekend, and we'll see you on the flip side. Until next time, from one paper girlie to another,